Hey guys, welcome back to Lions Den Investments and Reviews. My name is Casey, and I've got a lot of new subscribers here, so I want to thank you for subscribing. In today's video though, I want to cover, I'm going to answer a question, and it was somebody that approached me not too long ago and asked me, what my best investment advice will be. So I thought it was a good topic, and I want to answer that question in this video today. So a couple days ago, guys, I had a friend approach me, and he asked me the question of what my best advice would be for somebody who's just getting started with investing, okay? And I thought it was a great question because, I have a lot of new viewers here, and some of you guys are probably trying to create passive income for yourselves. Others are trying to make investments in different products and services, maybe your own business. And so I thought it would be a good question to cover for today's video because basically, it comes down to one thing, and this is just my opinion, but throughout my 9 or 10 years of experience with investing and starting up companies and stuff like that, the number one thing that has helped me the most, and this would be my advice to anybody, getting something started with a business or trying a new product and trying to make money online, passively, whatever it might be. The best advice I could give you would be to educate yourself, okay? And it's the best investment that I think you can make is education in yourself. Somebody once told me, and this is one of my mentors that I had followed for several years, and he told me one time that basically a formal education will make you a living and a self-education will make you a fortune. And what he meant by that was, and it's so true, because what he meant by that was, I went ahead and did everything that the middle class could do to try to get ahead, okay? So I went through the school system, I went through a 4-year degree, came out with a college degree, and thought I was gonna be making all this money. And that's another piece of advice I'm gonna let you know that I've found very beneficial to myself, and that is don't chase a dollar, okay? So if you're looking to go through the formal education system, don't chase a dollar. Look for a career that you're gonna be happy with, that's consistent and stable. One thing that I found that was very hard for me when I was going through the formal education system was that, they don't teach you a whole lot about money. They don't teach you about wealth. They don't teach you some of the stuff that I'm talking about in this channel. And that's, that's stuff that you really need because it's important when it comes to your own, survival. So just keep that in mind. Stay humble as well, because that's another thing that I've learned through the years. You gotta have some humility if you want to learn anything new. If you think you've already, figured it out and you've learned everything that you can learn, you're going backwards, okay? You're not growing, you're dying, if that makes sense. So you don't want to do that. Have some humility, stay humble, always be ambitious to learn and move forward and grow as an individual, okay? With that said though, I want to tell you guys, speaking of education, I want to tell you guys about my new course that I just created. And it's a 5-step process, okay? 5 easy steps to creating passive income for yourself. Now the first 2 in this course are gonna get you started making passive income right away. Now it's 100% free, it doesn't cost anything, but it is gonna take probably a few hours of your time. So if you're interested, and it would help me out a lot if you would take the course and then give me some feedback on it maybe. I'll leave a link in the description below for that. So it would help me out a lot. Check it out. And again, it's 5 easy steps to creating passive income for yourself. Now with that said, you gotta keep in mind, because we're talking about education here, you got to keep in mind what I'm showing you in these videos through this training course is a self-education, okay? So you're going to be teaching yourself very particular skill sets that you can move forward with, and you can apply to, online through the internet with internet marketing, or you can apply it offline face-to-face with other business owners. So it's very beneficial for you. It will make you money, and I show you and prove that to you in the training course. So just check it out for yourselves. With that said, guys, thank you again for all the new subscribers. If you want new content from me in the future, just hit the notification bell in the video, and you can get updated content from me as well. But with that said, I want to say thanks, and I will talk to you guys here soon.